In today's video, we're going to look at an example of alternate exterior and alternate interior angles applied to this situation where we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So I have two lines, line A, B, and line C, D. They're parallel. They will never intersect. They're split by line G, H. So I tell you that we have angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our goal is to find the measurement of all of the missing angles using just our knowledge of alternate exterior and alternate interior angles. So first, let's label which are exterior and which are interior. We'll start with our exterior angles. Remember, exterior refers to any angles on the outsides of the parallel lines, and alternate being that they are on one side of the transversal and the other. So our pairs for alternate exterior angles would be angle 1 and angle H, or angle 8, excuse me. And then we have angle 2 and angle 7. Those are our exterior angles. Our pairs for interior angles, interior, inside the parallel lines, are 3 and 6, angle 3, angle 6, and angle 4 and 5. Now, I give you information that angle 1 is 75 degrees. So there's a couple of things that we could solve right away. One, we could solve for the measure of angle 2, which I will do in a moment. And we could also solve for the measure of angle 8. Since we know that these are alternate exterior angles, 1 and 8 will be the same measurement. So 8 is also going to be 75 degrees. Angle 2, to find that, we'd use our knowledge of a straight line. We know that a straight line always measures 180 degrees. That is an angle of a straight line. AB's angle measurement is 180 degrees. These two angles will add to equal 180 degrees. So if I subtract 75 from 180, I can find that angle 2 would be 105 degrees. 105 degrees. I could also check that with the protractor, but I'm not going to do that today. We're just using knowledge of our angle theorems. So same thing here. I could do 180 minus 75 to find the angle 7, but I could just use my knowledge of alternate exterior angles. 2 and 7 should be the same measurement. So we would say that angle 2 and angle 7 are both 105 degrees. All right. I'm going to give us some information here. Angle 4, I'll start off, is also going to be 75 degrees. I could use a protractor to measure that. I get 75 degrees. Now, based on our knowledge of alternate interior angles, we can predict that 4 and 5 should be the same value based on that rule. So angle 5 will also be 75 degrees. To find the angles for 3 and 6, we can use our knowledge of 180 degrees as a straight line again. 180 minus 75 will give us 105 degrees. So angle 3 would be 105 degrees. 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles. This will also be 105 degrees. So today we applied our knowledge of interior and exterior angles to solve for missing values.